Good morning students. Today our topic is displacement equation of the progressive wave. We take a string and give a jerk like this. Transverse wave is generating and propagating in the string. Here the string is performing to and fro motion about the fixed mean position. So it is executing simple harmonic motion. In simple harmonic motion, the displacement of the body is y is equal to a sin omega t. We learn in the chapter oscillations. Here, for our convenience, let the wave is propagating from point P to point P dash. When wave is propagating from P to P dash, the displacement is y. So we take that displacement. The displacement of the wave y is equal to a sin omega t. But here the time taken to travel from P to P dash is t dash. That's why I write t dash. So the displacement of the wave y is equal to a sin omega t dash. Now we determine the value of t dash. Here the time taken by the wave to travel from O to P is t double dash, and time taken to travel from O to P dash is t. Now we want only t dash. So to get t dash, we subtract this value from this value. Then we get this value. So therefore t dash is equal to t minus t double dash. From this t we subtract this t double dash, then automatically we get t dash. T double dash. We substitute this value in this formula. Therefore, we get y is equal to a sin omega into, instead of t dash, I write this value t minus t double dash. But t double dash is equal to t double dash is equal to t double dash means time. Time is equal to formula displacement by velocity. Displacement is x from O to P, and v is the velocity of the wave from O to P. That's why t double dash is equal to x by v. Therefore we get y is equal a sin omega into t minus t double dash, we write x by v. We multiplied omega by this value. So y is equal a sin omega t minus omega by v into x. But omega by v is equal to k. K means propagation constant. Propagation constant. Therefore, we get y is equal to a sin omega t minus kx. This is the displacement equation of the progress wave when the wave is propagating along positive x direction. Along positive x direction. Along positive x direction. This is the mathematical equation of the progressive wave when wave is traveling along positive x direction. If the wave is propagating along negative x direction, along negative x direction. In negative x direction, we write minus x instead of x. So y is equal to a sin omega t minus k minus x. Why? Because we take along negative x direction. That's why we write minus x in the place of x. So we get y is equal to a sin omega t minus into minus plus kx. So this is another equation of the progressive wave. This formula is for wave traveling along positive x direction, and this formula is for wave traveling along negative x direction. Suppose in the process of giving jerk, if trough is formed, like this, here crest is formed, but here trough is formed. Here the string is vibrating upwards, here the string is vibrating downwards. So in the process of giving jerk, if trough is formed, then the wave equation is, if trough is formed, then wave is traveling along positive x direction and trough is formed. The string is vibrating downwards. Then the wave equation is y is equal to a sin omega t minus kx. When compared to this wave, it has a phase difference of 180 degrees or pi radians, because here crest is formed but here trough is formed. So there is a phase difference of 180 degrees or pi radians. We take that phase difference. Phase difference is pi. This is sin pi plus theta. Sin pi plus theta is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sin becomes negative. So we can write y is equal to minus a sin omega t minus kx. We take this minus to here, then we get y is equal to a sin kx minus omega t. This is another wave equation if trough is formed and wave is traveling along positive x direction. If the wave is traveling along negative x direction, then y is equal to a sin kx plus omega t. This is another wave equation if the wave is traveling along negative x direction, if trough is formed, if the string vibrates downward direction. These are the equations of progressive waves. Thank you.